Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some tips on how to resolve payment pending issues on Cash App. If you're experiencing a pending payment, there are a few steps you can take to troubleshoot the problem. And then firstly, you can visit the website status, Cash App, to check for any server issues. Just type in this link on your browser and it will provide you with information on whether there are any ongoing server problems. Often pending payment issues are related to server or service disruptions. If you find that there is a server issue, you simply need to wait for it to be resolved, and your pending payment will be sorted automatically. And if you still have a payment pending after checking the server status, you can try the following method. Open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the Activity section. Look for the pending payment under the Payments tab. Select the transaction that is pending and you should see an option to accept the payment. Click on Accept and this should help you receive a refund on your transaction. Once the payment is accepted, you can proceed with the transaction again. And then in case you're still encountering payment issues, the best course of action is to contact the Cash App customer support. They will be able to assist you and help resolve any lingering problems. And then these are some of the ways you can troubleshoot and fix payment pending issues on Cash App. I hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.